Earn $1,000 reading words. Make money online. Hello friends, I'm Mr. UG Money, and today I'm to show you how to earn $1,000 reading words. Make money online. Work from home, work from anywhere around the world by just reading words. That's all you need. Simple. Earn $1,000 reading words. Make money online. This is international, irrespective of your country. Are you from India, Japan, China, Nigeria, Ethiopia, Kenya, Brazil, Dubai, Indonesia, etc., to mention a few? Be your own boss. No experience required. No education required. Easy to start. Stay on until the end, so that you won't miss a bonus package that will help you make more and more money online. Do not forget to subscribe to Mr. UG Money, like and share for more notifications. Earn over $1,000 reading words with Voices.com. This is not scum. It's legit. Voices is used by the world's most trusted brands: Shopify, Microsoft, The History Channel, Discovery Channel, Los Angeles Times, Bell, GoDaddy, Cisco, Hulu. How it works. First, you will need to choose an industry. Voiceover for your industry. So there are several industries that you can choose from: advertising, animations, broadcasting, consumer brands, education, financial services, gaming, healthcare, non-profit, publishing, technology, video production. However, I recommend you to choose gaming industry or education industry or the advertising industry, because these three industries pay the highest amount of money. And that's what you need. Make more and more money online. Voiceover rates and pricing. So, you are wondering how much you can earn per word. Okay, $250 per every 300 words. This can take about 2 minutes. $500 per 750 words. This can take about 5 minutes. $750 per every 2,250 words. This is estimated to take about 15 minutes. $1,000 per every 4,500 words, just within 30 minutes. And $1,249 per every 6,000 words, within 45 minutes. So, it's all about you to choose. How long are you willing to take? A question. How you start to earn over $1,000 by just reading words. An answer. Sign up. Click sign up. This page will appear. What are you looking to do? Number 1. Hire talent for your projects. Number 2. Find work as a talent. So, just choose number 2, because you are finding work as a talent. Once you choose, the sign up to work voices will appear, like this. Enter your full name, email, password and click I agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. Then click continue, or you can continue with Google, using your Google account. Complete your free account setup. Please provide some additional information. Fill in your address, your city, your country. This is international, irrespective of your country. Are you from India, Japan, China, Nigeria, Ethiopia, Kenya, Brazil, Dubai, Indonesia? Anywhere you can access this. However, if you want to make more money online, I have included recommended videos for you in the description box, to help you make more money online. Comment anything that you didn't understand, so that I can make a video about it. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to Mr. UG Money, like and share for more notifications.